The walking doctor system is a comprehensive electronic medical record that helps healthcare facilities manage their drug stock, automatically itemize patient bills, and avoid errors when prescribing medicines. These interrelated features start on the drug item page. To enter a drug item into a facility's formulary, a user goes to the WD menu at the upper left of any screen and selects Stock from the Pharmacy tab. Here we see a list of drug items already in a health facility system. Look what happens when we enter part of the word acetaminophen in the drug search bar towards the top of the screen. Look what happens when we enter the word clindamycin. It's not present. To enter this new medicine, the user goes to New Item at the upper right of the drug inventory list to open a new item page. Clindamycin comes in different forms. Say a clinic has received a supply of clindamycin 300 mg capsules that sell for 35 cents or 5,000 Indonesian rupiah. The name is clindamycin 300 mg. Here we put the drug concentration at the end of the medicine name because Walking Doctors relies on this format to facilitate drug dosing. The dosing unit is capsule. The stock unit is the same. The minimum units to dispense is 1. The price of the drug is 5,000 rupiah. This is an antibiotic. For category, we can enter any information helpful to a facility in organizing its drug supply. For example, we may want to state that this brand of clindamycin is generic, indicating it comes at a lower price point than name brand antibiotics. So we enter generic. We only have price entry in the bottom portion of the drug item page to fill out, the latter which is optional. Price entry we will discuss in a different video, but is simply where the health facility sets the retail price of a medicine based on patient insurance type and status. The bottom portion of the drug item page provides helpful information to doctors ordering medicines outside of WD checklists. There's a field for reminding doctors about proper dosing of clindamycin. Let's fill this out. Adults. The dosing for children is different and is determined by weight. In the interactions field, we may want to remind the care provider that clindamycin diminishes the effect of BCG and typhoid vaccines. In the comments field, it may be important to mention that clindamycin can cause severe colitis, including C. difficile, so should be used judiciously and not as a first-line agent. All information entered here will now appear each time a healthcare provider orders clindamycin. We press Save. As a review, let's enter the IV form of clindamycin into the system. We see that it is not currently listed in the stock by searching for it. So we select New Item in the upper right portion of the page. The IV form of clindamycin comes in 300 mg per 2 cc vials, which costs $1.50 or 22,000 Indian rupiah. Entering this information, the name is clindamycin, (150 mg per cc). Here we again put the drug concentration at the end of the medicine name because Walking Doctors relies on this format to facilitate drug dosing. But we also did some math to get 2 out of the denominator. Currently, this format of only having 1 in the denominator is necessary in calculating the dose of a drug in liquid form. I repeat, the format of only having 1 in the denominator is essential in calculating the correct dose of liquid forms of drugs in the WD system. Proceeding on, the dosing unit is cc. The stock unit is vial. The minimum units to dispense is 1. The wholesale price is 22,000 rupiah. class of drug is again antibiotic, and this is again a generic drug. Let's copy over the previous helpful drug dosing, interaction, and side effect profile of clindamycin. We press save. This concludes the video on how to create the items in a drug inventory. In a subsequent video, we will discuss how to stock drug items.